Hey guys, wanted to do a quick video to show you this shower head holder. As you can see, my daughter likes to have the wand actually hanging when she does her bath, but they were kind enough to send me one of these to review, and I think it could work really well for her to hold it wherever she wants it. So now I'm going to just show you connecting it and how sturdy it is. So we'll just go right here. Yeah, you can see that. So if I go here, you press this down, and it is rock solid. It's not going anywhere, as they say. You can loosen this collar to adjust the angle. I'm just going to tighten it up straight just to show you. And then the shower head wand just goes right in like so. Holds it in any angle you want. You can see that's just kind of the straight one again, but so super handy. You can put it wherever the hose will reach, and should make for a little better shower experience. So thanks for watching.